Hey, what's up? Chris here. And today we're going to be learning how to draw a bird's eye view of a castle, which means bird's eye view is you're looking down at it, like up in the air. So let's begin. Now the first thing we want to do is we want to start with the top part of the castle. So we're going to curve this line a little bit, and we're going to go like this. We're going to bring this around. Same thing that way. And we're going to do the top part. Going to curve that line around. And we're going to bring this line down here. We're going to put some lines like that. Then, at the very top, we're going to do the same thing like we did with this piece here. We're going to curve that. We're going to bring that there. Curve it, bring it around. And as it's going around, that piece will be there. And that piece will be there. And that's it. We'll fill that in. And that will come down. Then we'll do another triangle piece, which curves, and we'll give that. Then we'll put the little flags. Same thing there. Finally, we'll bring it all down at that angle. There. Then we'll take a thicker marker and we'll give it the grass. There. Then we will give the door, which is the entrance. And we'll highlight that. Little windows there. Another entrance there. Highlight that. Put some lines across those parts. That little part there. One more little entrance there. Some lines to show that it's stone. And there you have it. I am Chris, and this is how you draw a bird's eye view of a castle.